If you want to start a YouTube channel, you would probably need a camera. My choice was Sony ZV-E10, and I made this choice because it was awarded the best camera for vlogging. Another reason for choosing this camera was the fact that it has interchangeable lens and it comes with an E-mount. This means that you can use the wide range of Sony objectives. Also, what we can see on the box, the camera is made in Thailand, lens Thailand, only the battery is made in China. This was a kit and it comes with a 16-50mm objective. Now, let's see what's in the box. Opening the box, we can see the warranty brochure, another commercial for the best vlogging camera. Okay. More brochures. The user guide. US plug. European plug. The mic cat. The Sony strap. The battery. Okay. I don't know. Just battery. The power adapter. And let's see the camera. Oh, the camera has the objective attached. And it's very small. 4K recording. Articulated screen. I'm going to do a review later on for this camera. If you want to do a live stream and capture your video output, you would probably need this Camlink 4K from Elgato. This will take the input from your camera and you can use it on your live stream. Let's unbox it. There is another box with a capture dongle. And with an USB cable. It will act like an extender. Also, here you will find the user guide and an Elgato sticker. If you are doing live streaming, you would probably want to hang out your camera. And for that, you can use heavy clamp from Elgato. Oh boy, this is heavy. What you can do with this, you can attach it to any surface, like your desk, another arm, for example your monitor arm or the Elgato arm, and also you will have multiple positions for the camera to attach. Those are fixed. You can switch this where you need it, and this is adjustable. And maybe you want to stream gameplays from your favorite console, and for that you will need Elgato capture card. Let's unbox this. Very nice packed. And you will find here the installation instructions, the capture card, and a couple of accessories. If you want to watch my YouTube journey, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.